Watermelon. A large fruit with green rind, red flesh, and black seeds. We had watermelon slices at the picnic. Apple. A round fruit with red, green, or yellow skin and a sweet taste. She eats an apple every morning for breakfast. Avocado. A creamy fruit often used in salads or sandwiches. Avocado toast is a healthy breakfast option. Banana. A long, curved fruit with yellow skin and soft, sweet flesh. He peeled a banana before his workout. Blueberry. A small, blue-purple fruit that is sweet and often used in desserts. Blueberry muffins are perfect for breakfast. Cherry. A small, round fruit that is red or black and sweet or sour. He topped the cake with a cherry. Coconut. A tropical fruit with hard shell, white flesh, and water inside. Coconut water is refreshing and healthy. Grapes. Small, round fruits that grow in clusters, often used for wine. She bought a bunch of grapes for dessert. Kiwi. A small fruit with fuzzy brown skin and green, juicy flesh. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C. Lemon. A yellow citrus fruit with a sour taste. She squeezed lemon juice into her tea. Lime. A small green citrus fruit with a sour flavor. Lime slices were served with the seafood. Mango. A tropical fruit with sweet, juicy orange flesh. Mango smoothies are my favorite summer drink. Orange. A round citrus fruit with a tangy sweet flavor. I drink a glass of orange juice every day. Papaya. A tropical fruit with orange flesh and black seeds. Papaya salad is a popular dish in Thailand. Peach. A soft, round fruit with fuzzy skin and sweet flesh. The peach jam tastes amazing on toast. Pear. A sweet, bell-shaped fruit that is soft when ripe. She packed a pear in her lunchbox. Pineapple. A tropical fruit with rough skin and sweet, tangy flesh. He added pineapple to the pizza. Plum. A small, round fruit with smooth skin and a sweet or tart taste. She made plum jam for breakfast. Pomegranate. A fruit with a thick skin and juicy red seeds. Pomegranate juice is full of antioxidants. Strawberry. A red, juicy fruit with tiny seeds on the surface. Strawberry ice cream is very popular.